So this is looking good. We've got so you can see along the top an arch of honey, which is a natural way that the bees keep the queen down into the brood cells. And then we can see here that she's been laying, so we've got some nice capped brood, and in amongst that we've got some pollen. So in the next week or so we're going to have another bit of a population explosion going on in here. I'm going to put this back.
Awesome.
So right now I'm checking for disease.
And I don't have a bee suit on. And I'm feeling like I'm a little close, but they're not bothering me at the moment. There's a lovely big...
So what I'm looking for is disease.
Oh, I can see honey dripping from it. Sorry.
There's a lot of pollen in the top there.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah. But she's beautiful. She's laying in a nice pattern.
Yeah.
And you can see the ones that aren't laden, they've got pollen in, and nectar.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
cool.
so that they can feed and keep the cells cool as well, so they keep the odd one free. They're banging off me now.
Yeah, they're banging off me as well. I'm going to turn off the video and step just a little bit further away, but
so they're just saying, hey,
yeah, sort it out.
Looking lovely.
Anyway, this is down at Lighthouse Urban Food Forest. Our lovely friend Hayley is out servicing our hive and going to add another layer, which is a honey layer, so I'm assuming that fills up with honey.
So that's these guys are probably hatched recently.
Oh wow.
And I'm just going to check, there's some drone cells in here, I'm just going to check them for varroa. So we do that by just getting in underneath. So they tend to go for the drone cells first.
Oh yeah.
So this is a good way of checking because they're white. And you can see the varroa if it's on there, but it doesn't, looks pretty clean to me.
Awesome.
We'll just do another one. So these here are potential swarm cells. Which is not what we want, but they're all empty. So
it's good timing that you're putting another layer on.
Yeah.
We're ready to go.
They're empty, which is fine. That one looks a bit dubious. I'm just going to check another drone.
Alright, I'm going to step away. Thanks, Hayley.